Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we'll be studying the life cycle of Obelia, which shows metagenesis. Now see this diagram, analyze this diagram very carefully. You will find here this is a polyp stage. Clear? This is polyp stage, and polyp stage is sedentary. You know very well. It is sedentary, asexual generation, and its work is to increase the number of the population. Means biological strategy is this: they are trying to expand the population through budding. So polyp is the asexual stage, and it's through which they are increasing their number by asexual reproduction. But when the space is occupied, or you can say they want to occupy the new niche, then what they are doing it, they are making the free swimming stage, that is Medusa stage. So they are making Medusa stage, and this Medusa stage, which is free swimming, it can move to another places, and it will do the sexual reproduction. Means it will make the gametes. So Medusa will produce both male and female gamete to start the next cycle. So you can say the strategy is to shift between the stationary asexual polyp, which expand the area through budding, and free swimming sexual stage Medusa, which is responsible for making gametes. And by transition between two distinct forms, species is effectively combining the benefit of rapid growth with the advantage of genetic diversity. The rapid growth because of the polyp, this is the one reason for the rapid growth, and this is the one reason for the diversity. Medusa is the reason for the diversity. So this dual phase existence ensure both the structural expansion as well as successful reproduction of an organism within its marine environment. So I hope so you have understood. Let us revise once again. Polyp is the one which is showing asexual reproduction, which is increasing the number by budding, and Medusa is the one which will make gametes. So Obelia is the example which can show alternation of generation. Polyp can produce Medusa, you can see the diagram. Polyp can produce Medusa, okay, through asexual, and Medusa will produce polyp through sexual. So I hope so this topic might be easy for you now. Thanks for watching.